Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing another clean with me in my kitchen. I typically do the kitchen a lot because this is where it becomes the most dirty, I guess. I don't know, I just do it a lot. So yeah, this is the before. And right now it's only me and my husband here, so why this kitchen is looking like this, I do not know. But yeah, I'm getting ready to clean this up. It's going to be like a quick clean because I do have somewhere to go, or several places to go. So yeah, this is the before. A disaster. Do need to clean up a lot. So yeah, let's get started.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, these are the products I used today. I used the Comet bleach powder in my sink. I used the Mrs. Meyers Multi-Surface in a honeysuckle scent. You can see there. And then I used the Mrs. Meyers Dish Soap that's also in the honeysuckle scent. And this right here is no longer Method Squirt and Mop. What I did is I mixed some lemon scent PineSol, or it could have been Lysol, I can't remember what I bought. But I did this because I didn't want to order one item from Grove Collaborative. This is the only item I ran out of, and I was like, I don't want to order one item. If you guys know in the store where I can pick this up, let me know what store I can pick it up in. But yeah, I wasn't just going to order one item from Grove Collaborative. Once I run out of more things is when I'll place my order. But yeah, these are the products I use. Alright, here's the end result of the cleaning today. I did like a quick clean. Usually it takes me forever in my kitchen. I made some new dishwater because I'm getting ready to have a little bit of lunch before I go out. I have this watermelon up here that I desperately need to cut. I've been snacking on Fritos back there. That's why that bag is open. But yeah, nice clean sink, nice clean stove. It was just a quick clean. But yeah, the floor is swept and mopped, tables cleaned, recyclables taken out, and bags changed. So yeah, well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.